You might want to stop watching now, unless you're ready to face a shocking truth. Your factory might be at risk, and you don't even know it. Have you ever missed a critical security event because your night vision cameras were too blurry? Introducing the ACTi Z322/Z722 dual light security camera, a game changer in factory surveillance. Is your nighttime footage too dark? Struggling to see faces or license plates? With full color mode, ACTi Z322/Z722 keeps its white LED light on all night, turning night into day. Even in total darkness, you'll get crystal clear color video, ensuring that every movement inside and outside your factory is fully visible. Key areas like production zones, raw material warehouses, and access points now have zero blind spots. Traditional night vision cameras require additional external LED lighting, increasing both installation and maintenance costs. With built-in white LED lighting, ACTi Z322/Z722 eliminates the need for extra lighting equipment, saving you money on installation and electricity bills. From parking lots to warehouse corridors and loading docks, you get enhanced visibility without additional expenses. Is your current surveillance system too slow to react? Are false alarms wasting your security team's time? ACTi Z322/Z722 features AI-powered detection, recognizing people, vehicles, and even sound anomalies within seconds. Whether it's the production line, storage areas, or workstations, AI-enhanced security reduces false alarms and boosts operational efficiency. Most security cameras only record intrusions, but do nothing to stop them. With active deterrence mode, ACTi Z322/Z722 instantly switches on its white LED when it detects a suspicious person, vehicle, or sound. This bright light startles intruders and exposes them immediately, keeping your factory perimeter, side gates, and blind spots fully secure. Why choose ACTi over ACTi Vision or Dahua? ACTi Vision only provides standard night vision, but ACTi Z322/Z722 offers full-color night vision for unmatched clarity. Dahua charges extra for AI-powered detection, while ACTi includes AI features for free. At the same price, ACTi gives you better visibility, smarter surveillance, and lower operational costs, a clear advantage. Why wait? Your factory security is too important to delay. Click the link below to learn more about ACTi Z322/Z722 and see how it can transform your surveillance system. Upgrade today and make sure that your factory stays visible, even in complete darkness. Remember, security isn't an option, it's a necessity. Act now.